guys, so here is video 2. You need to still have out your math notebooks. You still need to be following along. Make sure that you are doing this work with me. There may or may not be a time where I come around and check and make sure that you did your math work with me today. So make sure that you are doing what you're supposed to. Alright, so for this problem, 738 divided by 9. First thing we're going to do our house. Inside the house goes our dividend, 738. And outside our house goes the divisor, 9. After I have my house all ready, I need to do my fast facts. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 5 is 45. And 9 times 10 is 90. So since the closest that I've gotten to 738 is 90, I'm going to go through and add a 0 behind each of the numbers that I'm multiplied with. 9 times 1 would change to 9 times 10. That's 90. We already found that. 9 times 2 would change to 9 times 20. 9 times 20 would be 180. 9 times 5 was 45, so 9 times 50 would be 450. And 9 times 100 would be 900. So looking at the number that we have in our house or our dividend, it's 738. I am never going to be able to use 9 times 100. So I put a line through it. The closest I can get to 738 is 450. What do we have to do to 9 to make 450? We have to multiply 9 by 50. So on the side, I need to put the 50 that I had to multiply 9 by. In the house, subtract. 8 minus 0 is 8. 3 minus 5, not possible. Impossible. So I need to borrow 10. 10, and I already had 3, so that is 13. 13 minus 5. You said 8. You are great. 6 minus 4 is 2. All right, let's go back to our fast facts. Looking at the fast facts, am I going to be able to get 450 again? No, because it's bigger than 288. Mark through it. Goodbye. See you later. The closest I can get now is 9 times 20, and that is 180. So I had to multiply 9 by 20 to make 180. Gotta subtract, gotta take away. 8 minus 0 is... You said 8, you're great. 8 minus 8 is 0. No more. 2 minus 1. Just 1. Now I've got 108. Well, 180 is bigger than 108, so I can mark through that fast fact. Go to my next biggest one. That would be 90. Well, guys and girls, what do I have to do to 9 to make 90? I gotta multiply it by 10. Alright, let's see if we can do this, okay? I believe in you. 8 minus 0. You said 8, you're great. 0 minus 9. Well, that's not possible. Could I think about it as 10 minus 9? Sure could. 10 minus 9 is 1. So I can mark through a couple. Mark through 10 times 10 times 5. Oh my gosh! 9 times 2 is 18, and that's what we have left over. Boys and girls, look at us. Let's see if we can get it to 0. 8 minus 8, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So, am I done? No. I need to figure out how many times 9 can go into 738. I need to add all these numbers together. I got 50 plus 20 plus 10 plus 2. So you do that addition in your brain real quick. If I have 50 and I add 20, I would have 70. If I add 10 more, I'd have 80. And if I add 2 to 80, boys and girls, you better be right. You got this. 82. 82. So, the sub is going to pass out a paper for you to practice a couple of problems with partial quotient. I believe in you. I believe you can do it. I believe you will succeed. You are going to turn this paper into tray number 2 when you finish. Love you. I will talk to you again for reading time.